In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club scan from your mobile app. To get started, open the Sam's Club app on your mobile device. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure the app is updated so all features work properly. Once the app is open, sign into your Sam's Club account. This is important because the Scan and Go feature is tied to your membership and payment options inside the app. Before you begin shopping, take a moment to confirm that the app has permission to use both your location services and your camera. These permissions matter because the app needs to know that you're physically inside a Sam's Club warehouse, and it also needs camera access to scan item barcodes. If either permission is turned off, the feature may not work correctly. Next, enter a Sam's Club warehouse. This part is essential because Scan and Go only works while you're inside the club. Once you're in the store, look at the bottom of the screen in the app and tap the Scan and Go button. This will open the scanning tool and get you ready to add items as you shop. Now point your phone's camera at the barcode of each item you want to purchase. Try to hold your phone steady and make sure the barcode is clearly visible in the frame. Good lighting and a clean view of the barcode can help the scan go through more quickly. As you scan items, check that each one appears in your cart with the correct quantity. This is a good habit because it helps prevent mistakes before checkout. When you're done shopping, tap checkout. At this stage, you'll be asked to select or add your preferred payment method. Choose the option you want to use, then review your order carefully. Make sure the items and quantities are correct. And once everything looks good, swipe or tap pay to complete the purchase. After payment is complete, the app will display a digital receipt with a QR code. Before you leave the store, show that QR code to the exit associate. In some locations, there may also be automated exit technology available, so you can use that instead where applicable. Either way, make sure you complete this final step before exiting. And that's it. Once you've done it a couple of times, using Scan and Go becomes a fast and convenient way to shop at Sam's Club directly from your phone.